The kids of Eternals. Angelina Jolie's daughter Zahara and Salma Hayek's daughter Valentina were spotted hanging out after the London premiere of Eternals, which stars both of their moms. The Eternals press tour has been non-stop fun for the kids who've gotten to come along for the ride. Angelina Jolie's daughter Zahara Jolie-Pitt, 16, and Salma Hayek's daughter Valentina Paloma Pinault, 14, were seen hanging out together after the Eternals premiere in London on October 27. They were spotted outside a private event. The girls were wearing the same looks they had worn to the Eternals premiere. Zahara had on that adorable bright yellow dress. Valentina still had on the polka dot dress she rocked the blue carpet with alongside her mom. Once the premiere is over, the fun can begin. Zahara has joined her mom for several Eternals premiere events so far, along with her siblings. Zahara walked the blue carpet with Angelina, Maddox, 20, Shiloh, 15, Vivienne, 13, and Knox, 13. The only one missing was Pax, 17. Related gallery. Angelina Jolie out and about with her kids, photos with Shiloh, the twins and more. Zahara has become quite the fashionista, too. Just days before the London premiere, Zahara went to the Rome Film Festival with her mom and Shiloh. She stunned in a white and gold gown. Angelina looked like a goddess in a strapless silver gown, and Shiloh was beautiful in a simple black dress. Zahara brought things full circle when she wore her mom's 2014 Oscars dress to the Los Angeles premiere. Zahara looked so glamorous in the sparkling Elie Saab gown. Talk about chic and sustainable. My kids are all mixed with vintage, and in my old Oscars dress. We did all vintage and upcycled my old stuff, Angelina told Entertainment Tonight at the premiere. Angelina's kids have been supporting her as she makes her debut in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. She stars as Athena in Eternals, which will be released in theaters on November 5th. Her co-stars include Salma, Richard Madden, Gemma Chan, Brian Tyree Henry, Kit Harington, and more.